So cool. You know, and I
cool.
saw Nina Duran's post earlier, seeing the kite. You know, her father, the founder of La Prensa. And so Tino, or actually resurrected La Prensa. And so Nina, his daughter, saw that today and her reaction, because she hadn't seen it yet. It was really cool. So I'm glad we had that tonight. All right, so some rain off to the north tonight. In fact, some storms beginning to misbehave a bit. We've got a pretty active weather pattern in place. I've got the new model data to show you where we expect these storms to unfold on your Thursday. First, outside tonight, 410 at Northwest Military. Skies are partly to mostly cloudy. We really saw the clouds roll in today, along with the humidity. Now, we're still warm, 80 degrees. Keep in mind that on May 15th, our average high should be 86. And so we're still pretty warm, with the southeast wind getting that dew point up to 61. Where we had the lower 50s yesterday. That was nice. But those lower 50 dew points and that little bit of a drier air, we actually hit 94. So today, with added humidity, only 92. Still a pretty hot day. 98 Pearsall, pair of 9s at Carrizo Springs and Del Rio. They hit 101 yesterday. 88 at Bernie, 93 out at New Braunfels and Seguin. So the humidity increased today, and it's only increasing from here. We're going into the lower to mid 70s for tomorrow afternoon. And that's going to mean a real soupy air mass that can fuel some thunderstorms. Now, so far, the thunderstorms have come together in the Panhandle, and then most recently, over the last couple of hours, some strong thunderstorms in Austin, producing some hail. You can see just a little bit of hail showing up and about to cross over I-35 near Round Rock, also just east of Llano. And so those are moving northeast. They will not impact San Antonio. But this pattern could, because you see, we've got a good feed of mid and upper level moisture, and now a trough of low pressure to our west, getting east of the Baja tonight. And this energy is going to pass right over El Paso. Now, most of the track really pulls it up north of us. So the best energy is going to be well to our north, the best chance of seeing showers and thunderstorms to our north. But we're definitely going to see some rain on Thursday. I think it's going to mainly be early. So we take a look at the future model. Tonight stays quiet for San Antonio, but showers could be developing between 7 and 7:30 a.m. So this could put a damper on the Thursday morning commute. Allow some extra time. You know how rain can slow us down, especially when it's light to moderate like this. That makes things very, very slippery. That could last until about midday. Then you saw the outflow that's active tonight. Well, that'll die down tonight, and then with daytime heating, we expect another good round tomorrow, but it really is expected to focus northeast and push to the southeast. Now, last night, if you were with me, we had a line of storms developing overnight, tomorrow night into Friday morning. Models have really backed off this, and I looked at about 3 different solutions. They all lined up and agreed that we'll see maybe a few showers overnight Thursday night into Friday morning, and any heavy rain that develops would be more along the lines of Friday morning and closer to the coast. So San Antonio's rain chances have really kind of backed off, and the severe threat has backed off. So a level 2 is as far south as downtown. We've been downgraded to a level 1 for Thursday and Thursday night. 7-day forecast time. Temperature-wise, we're going to go up to 87 to 89 next 2 days. Rain chances not get better than 40%. And then it's down to 30% late Thursday night and through about midday Friday. So just keep in mind that there's still a much better chance that we stay dry for the next 48 hours. But don't be surprised if we get a few showers tomorrow morning. Then, once we drop the rain chances, look at this heat. Mid-90s over the weekend, lots of sunshine, mid to upper 90s heading into next week. In fact, flirting with 100 next Wednesday, which would be incredibly early. Quick climatology before a break. Average first 100-degree days, June 30th. Last year, June 16th. That's a month from now. So if we hit it next week, that is real early. Nate Ryan, and how much is that Wemby jersey worth?